Alright guys, Matt here. I'm pretty excited about this. I have had a problem with the 3D printer causing all the LED lights in the house to flicker. I don't know if the camera is going to pick that up, but this is a light I have here, and this is throughout the entire house. So let me see if I can adjust. Alright, we're going to go way down, so hopefully it'll jump out so you can see it flicker a lot better. But okay, so it flickers throughout the entire house. I've had an electrician. I installed an EFI filter. I replaced the power supply. This is on an Ender 5 Max, so but I did come up with a solution. I had to because I can only print at night because it really gives my wife a bad headache. So she's pretty sensitive to light. So let me show you what I found out how to fix this. And it's usually bad because I print mostly ASA, so when my bed is at 100 degrees Celsius, causes the PWM frequency to fly all over the place. So let me show you that fix here. Let me just walk over there. So you're going to want to root into your printer. I take no responsibility for any of that stuff if that were to happen, or if you ruined your printer settings or printer somehow. This is just what I came up with a little help from AI. So you're going to root in, you're going to go to config file or machine, your files down here. We're going to go to printer config, and we're going to scroll down to our bed. We'll see printer stepper, extruder. So we see this heat bed here. We're going to pop this, enter a line, and we are going to paste PWM underscore cycle underscore time colon space 0 decimal 01667. And then we're just going to go up here and hit save and restart. So that's going to reset everything. And let me show you right back over here. Let me turn this ISO up a little bit. Sorry about the colors, but okay. So I'm going to reset the printer just to be sure that everything took effect. Yeah, it was really hard. I only had a few hours a day to print, and I tried everything. I even tried numerous variations of that frequency, and nothing worked. And then the other day, I even had Crealty's been sending me. Basically all the parts in here are brand new because we've been trying to troubleshoot that. So we're gonna go up and we're just gonna hit max temperature on the bed, 100 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna wait for the biggest flicker drain is when it gets to temperature and it cycles rapidly on and off. But this, we are at 87. Now that does flicker every once in a while, but it's not like a rave. So now I can print all day long. So I don't know, you can see it flicker like occasionally. But I've had this printer, I think 6 months, and it's been driving me nuts. I even hooked it through our ups. I hooked it to our solar batteries. As long as anything was connected to the electrical, it causes every LED light in the entire house to flicker. So we are at 100 degrees Celsius. No flickers. Oh, I don't know. Guys, I don't know. I am so happy, you have no idea. That is crazy. So yeah, that one frequency worked for me. All right, so maybe it is now, what time is it? It is now 1 o'clock in the morning, and now I can print for the rest of the day. So hopefully it helps someone else out there who's dealing with printer lights flickering throughout their entire house. So, all right, take care, guys. Thanks.